Hi, okay. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a double hammock with a stretchy wrap. This is a really good alternative to using a front wrap cross carry with a stretchy. It's particularly good for small babies and babies that are still really curled up in that fetal curl position. I'm going to be using a Joy and Joe stretchy wrap. This is their new wrap. It's cotton and bamboo with elastane and is a two-way stretchy. Okay, so as always, I'm going to start with the label at the front in the middle, and I'm going to take it round and cross it over behind my back and bring it back up over my shoulders. So I can do it one at a time, like this. I now have both pieces up over my shoulder. I'm going to take my pocket down here and then get both these and push them down the middle. Okay. So now I just want to make sure that I'm going to take all the slack out. So I'm going to give it a good pull and pull downwards. Okay. Tug. Now, all I'm going to do is cross it over, take it round my back, and lay it back round and just tie it off to the side in a double knot. Okay, so I'm now ready to go ahead and put the baby in. Okay, so I've got an outside cross and an inside cross. So I'm now going to, for the purposes of the double hammock, I'm going to get rid of this cross temporarily and work on this cross. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off my shoulder, put it down here. I'm going to spread this one out and I'm ready to get the baby. So when I pick up baby, I'm going to place baby on this side and then I'm going to put both their legs inside here. So I'll go ahead and pick baby up and then I'm going to spread the material across the baby. Okay, so this is my small baby, which is a doll for this purpose because my baby's now too big. Okay, so chances are the baby will be very curled up like this. What we're going to do is come get both the material and bring it over both legs. Now the idea is that the material is going to create a hammock going underneath the baby's bottom and tucked in legs. So, legs in, and then I'm going to stretch the material across baby's bottom. Okay. Now, hope your baby should be nice and will be tucked up much more than this demo doll will be, and its arms quite likely to be much more tied in here. You may need to do a bit of rocking and just gentle soothing at this point. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the other strap back up. Now, if you put your hand in and pull it straight up, it's going to get trapped under here. So I'm going to basically bring the strap down and come over both legs, and then slide my hand inside and bring it back up onto my shoulder. So at this point you've already got the material underneath your baby's bottom, and then all you need to do this way is stretch the material across. Okay. Now for the purpose of comfort I'm just going to pull this down, fold it back up, pull down and fold back up. Said this baby's legs not quite as your baby's will be. Okay, so hopefully baby will settle. You can use this side of the material like so, and now so the material is now gone underneath this side and underneath this side and is crossing over like a double hammock. We're then going to go ahead and find our pouch. So I do this by going to the side, grabbing the whole piece, not this, because you'll be doing this for ages. Grab the whole piece like a rope, down, down, and then bring it up. Okay. Now, baby's legs should be just out there at the bottom. If you feel baby's high, you can just pull them down a little bit. And that is basically how it should be. Okay, now as I said, you can use this bit of material just to hold their head in here, but if they have a nice pelvic forward position, tilted forward position to you, their head will naturally fall onto your chest. If baby sort of buries the head inside, you don't want the material across the face, so what you can do instead is undo this fold, slide your hand on the inside, grab the inside edge and pull it so you're flipping it aside. And what that will do is to really pull the material, fold it back up, will pull the material away from the baby's face. Make sure that you've got material so you can see there. It really gives a good space there and there's no material on the baby's face. Okay, so a good test to know whether this is tight enough is if you lean forwards, your baby's body should stay firmly against you and it shouldn't swing away from you. If the baby does swing away from you, then it's not tight enough. What we're aiming for is bandage tight to keep baby supported in a nice J shape, so supporting their natural curve of their spine, but ensuring that they always have a nice gap underneath the chin and the chest, so there's no chin on the chest which can compromise the airway. So you always want to be able to get a couple of fingers underneath there. Hopefully baby will tilt head back and you'll be fine. Supporting baby's back in this natural position and with their legs up, so no material pushing the baby's legs out, just hammocking underneath the baby. And that is called the double hammock. So to get baby out, you would just push the pouch bit down and slide away the cross, slide away the cross, and then just lift baby out and pop baby down, and then you're back to where you started from. Now this is why this is so great with the Stretchy, because it's poppable, so you can put baby in and out as you need to. So just going over that just one more time, just arm down, pick baby up, slide both legs in, material across, okay, then lift this other one back over the legs and slide your arm in. And spread the material again. Okay, just going to pull this material down. Making sure the material is right across. The baby is nicely supported inside there. And then at the side, pull the whole thing up and over. Okay. Using this to support. And you're back in again. That's free. Back again. And that is a double hammock with a Stretchy wrap. And this video is going to be for Stockport Sling Library. Okay, thank you.